Play-Doh and it's a cash register. Knife, dollar maker, so many stuff. I don't like voices. I made $1. We put the batteries in. I'm gonna make a carrot. I'm gonna use orange and green. My 3 items are milk, apple, and chocolate. Let's swing it up. Here's the receipt. Bye. Bye. My favorite thing about the toy is when you put the food on the cash register and pay with money. I'm gonna buy everything in the store. You can't buy the whole store. If you buy I'm gonna buy the whole store, Grayson. Oh, also that's red. Normally it's supposed to be maybe orange or brown. But I usually do red because that's kind of your favorite color. It's scanned. Now I can put it in my bag. Yay! Now I got my fish. Grayson, you are gonna forget to pay for the fish. I don't even need fish.